Hello there, little dreamer. Are you all cozy and snuggled up in your blanket? Did you have a busy day today? Well, now it's time to relax and enjoy a magical story. Tonight, we are going to listen to a tale that teaches us about teamwork. That is, how helping each other and working together as a team can solve even the biggest problems. Now tell me, have you ever teamed up with your friends to play a game or complete a fun project? Now let's see how some clever doves and a wise mouse work together in this story. This story called The Clever Birds and the Wise Mouse is taken from the Indian classic Hitopadesha. Shall we begin? Let's go. In a peaceful forest with tall trees that swayed gently in the breeze, there lived a flock of doves. The forest was alive with the chatter of monkeys, the hum of bees, and the rustling of leaves. The doves loved their home, and every morning they flew together in search of food. Their leader was a wise and thoughtful dove named Deva. He wasn't just a good leader, he cared deeply about the safety of his flock. Deva was also very observant and cautious, always keeping an eye out for danger. One sunny morning, the doves gathered as usual to begin their search for food. The forest was glowing under the golden sunlight, and the air smelled fresh and earthy after a light drizzle the night before. Now, kids, do you love the earthy smell after the first rain? It's that fresh, magical scent when raindrops kiss the warm, dry ground. Next time it rains, close your eyes and take a big sniff. Now, one dove excitedly said, "Let's fly towards the meadow by the river. There's always plenty of grain scattered there." The flock soared into the sky, their wings shining like silver under the sunlight. As they flew over fields and trees, something unusual caught their eyes. Right in the middle of an open field was a huge pile of grains, enough to feed the entire flock. "Look at that!" chirped one of the doves. "It's like a feast waiting for us." But Deva, with his sharp eyes and thoughtful nature, was suspicious. He landed carefully on a nearby tree branch and examined the scene.
This pile of grains is too perfect. It feels like a trap,"
Deva said. Now kids, what do you think Deva is worried about? If you saw food lying in the open, would you trust it? The other doves were too hungry to listen. "Oh, Deva, you're always so cautious," said another dove. "It's just food. Let's enjoy it." Reluctantly, Deva agreed, and the flock swooped down into the field. As soon as they began eating, zoom! A large net dropped down, trapping all the doves. "Oh no, we are caught!" cried the doves, flapping their wings in panic. Just then, the doves saw a hunter approaching, holding a big stick and a sack. He had set the trap to catch the birds and was now coming to collect them. The doves grew even more frightened, flapping their wings desperately, but the net was too strong to break. Deva quickly called out,
"Stop, everyone. Listen to me. If we keep struggling on our own, we won't get anywhere. But if we work together and flap our wings at the same time, we can lift this net and fly away."
The doves stopped flapping in all directions and began listening to Deva. Together, they flapped their wings in perfect harmony. Slowly, the net began to rise. Higher and higher it went until the entire flock carrying the net was soaring through the sky.
"Keep flapping, everyone,"
Deva encouraged,
We're almost safe. The hunter stared in disbelief as his trap flew away. The doves carried the net far from the hunter and deep into the forest where Deva had a clever plan. The flock flew to the edge of the forest where a wise little mouse named Miku lived in a cozy burrow under a large banyan tree. Miku was Deva's old friend and was known for being helpful and clever. Miku, Miku, we need help, called Deva as they landed. Miku poked his head out of his burrow and saw the doves trapped in the net.
Oh my! What happened to you all? Asked Miku. Deva quickly explained the situation. Miku nodded and said, Don't worry, my friends, I'll help you. With his sharp teeth, Miku began nibbling on the ropes of the net. The doves watched with hope as Miku worked tirelessly, cutting the ropes one by one. Soon the net fell apart and the doves were free. The flock cheered with joy. Thank you, Miku, they said. You're welcome, said Miku with a smile. But remember, it was your teamwork that got you this far. By working together, you turned a hopeless situation into a successful escape. Now, kids, what do you think would have happened if the doves hadn't worked together? They would be with the hunter right now, right? Can you think of a time when you worked with friends or family to solve a problem? Now, this story teaches us that teamwork can overcome even the biggest challenges. Whether it's lifting a heavy net or solving a tricky problem, working together makes us stronger and more capable. So, in your daily life, teamwork might look like helping your siblings clean up toys, playing a sport where everyone contributes to win the game, or when your family returns from shopping, teamwork helps. You can carry the lighter bags, someone else handles the heavier ones, and together you unpack them and put things away. When we work together, we share our strengths and make things better for everyone. Now, little one, as you lie in your cozy bed, think about how you can practice teamwork tomorrow. Maybe you can help set the table for dinner or work with a friend to finish a puzzle. Doesn't it feel good to know you can achieve so much by working together? Okay, now, it's time to relax. Close your eyes and let your dreams take you on a magical adventure. Let us listen to a small rhyme before we drift off to Dreamland. Together we stand, together we try, like birds that soar through sky. Helping each other makes us strong. Teamwork takes us far along. Good night.